Welcome back to another video. So how you can customize your font in Windows 11. So how you can do that? Let's do it. Okay, so open the settings. Okay, open the settings. Now you can see the personalize option. Okay, click on personalize icon and slide down a little bit and you can see the font icon. Okay, click on the font icon. Here you have lots of fonts. Okay, you can select any font you want and use it. Okay, this is the customized from this is from Microsoft. Okay, so you can select any font you want, and also if you have already a downloaded font you can upload here. Okay, you can browse it and select it and use it. And okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this type of content, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Bye.